World, our once proud race, was torn apart by war. Two factions rose and fought for that which gave us life, the Allspark. We, the Autobots, who are sworn to protect it, and those who desire its power for evil, the Decepticons. For centuries, it has remained hidden.
2,000 years later.
But now the safeguarding of the Allspark has brought us here. This world will not be ready for our war. Our warriors. But we have come. Our fates and the future of this world shall be decided here.
Well, good luck with that.
One shall stand, one shall fall.
Bumblebee, this is Prime. Our connection to the Allspark is located somewhere within that human settlement. Discover what you can and report back to me. Decepticons, find a form. Stop the Decepticons before they find the Allspark. Stop that at all costs. The Decepticons have found a transformer code linked to Megatron. It is currently in possession of a human named Sam Witwicky. We must reach him before the Decepticons.